ka St. Paul's Higher Secondary School Nongpoh menta kasngi ka khatsau tarik naiwing kala Rakhe pendon burom ye kasngi karpang ki khna lani ka Children's Day ka badai kasngi kha jong Prime Minister Baningkong du kari India Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ubadeiru uwei na kiriu kraw baju it bat ngau tenat ye ki khna ha katai kasngi lawan bani siam benta da uba Meral Bonds MLA ka Nongpoh constituency kumukong san ha ka jingdon lang uba CBCM XCEM ka KHADC uba Opel Lingdo rang ba Snong Mauro Father Peter Simli Parish Priest ka Nongpoh Parish Sister Angelina Marak Principal ka St. Paul's Higher Secondary School kinong hikai ki khna school bat kiwei ki riu rang ba bat kum ka jingdon bentalang bat katai ka school na kaliang uba Meral Bonds kum MLA ula IT ru da ka check ka basilak St.Paul's hajar tingka ba kum ka school kan yo ban hit computer hadien ka jingker pat jong kinong yalam katai ka school hakane kasngi kinong hikai jong ka St. Paul's Higher Secondary School Nongpoh kila siam bentalang ban Rakhe ye katai kasngi leng baki program bapher nadu karwai ka shat kabala penshong shet ye ki khna school bat hakate kasngi na kaliang ki khna school kila pen inam bat diru ye ki tiar shnakti lani ka arts and craft ban penpau perthai ye ka sap ka bakidon na lor ka pule puthi bat kumjuru ka jingshat ye ki jingbam bapher kabala tip kum ka food fest.
Dear student, parents and teachers, this very day was observed to commemorate the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It is a proud moment for each and every one of us, where we have witnessed beautiful song, beautiful dance, performed by students also, especially the song and dance performed by the teachers. And I wish in the program we have seen the dance by the super mom. We wish there is a super dad dance also. Wish we could participate. Next time when we'll come for Children's Day, please sister arrange for super dad dance also so that we could participate. It is a moment of joy for each and every one of us. Dear student, it is a tough way ahead that travel in our journey. I would like to ask one question to our dear student. Please lend me your ears for 1 minute. Dear student, there is a question to each and every one of you. Anybody who want to become a star, please raise your hand. Who want to become a star? Dear student, please raise your hand. I can't see. Not even a single hand. Everybody want to be a star. Somebody want to be a rock star. Somebody want to be a football star. Somebody want to be a star in his studies. But I'll tell you, student, very important message to each and every one of you. That star does not shine because they want to be seen, but they shine because they are the stars. You are the stars of your own. It's not that you just want to be seen by someone, but it has to be from deep inside your heart.